up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel again. If you're new here, make sure you go down and click that subscribe button. And if you're returning, I of course welcome you back. So today is going to be another fun-filled day of adventures. We're actually going to be heading down to my buddy Eric's, and then as usual heading down to EuroMpire. So EuroMpire is actually hosting the Charlotte BMW group today. We're having them over for kind of like a meet and greet, and then we're also going to be doing kind of like a dyno days. So it's going to be an awesome day out in the heat today, but should be a lot of fun. Going to be, of course, running late as usual, and we're going to be testing out my new GoPro attachment here. It attaches to the headrest of the passenger seat, so that way you can set up your GoPro and kind of get like the perfect angle of the cockpit on the inside. So it'll be kind of a cool angle to test out. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and jump in the car since I am running late, and we'll go ahead and run down there and get started on this day. Hello!
Really?
What's up, man?
What's going on? We're going to want to swap these real quick.
Time to partay and get really, really sweaty. I need an M4 sooner so I can keep up with the fast guys. Yeah. Wait for me.
Slow down.
I have little legs. I have little stuffy legs.
You're like a little alligator.
Yeah, little alligator legs. Help.
Alligator's actually pretty fast, straight on. If you're ever getting chased by one, you're supposed to run that zigzag.
I'm not getting chased by an alligator.
But they tell you if that ever did happen, you're supposed to run in a zigzag.
I'm not going to test the theory.
Because they can't pivot, but their straightaways aren't bad.
So we made it out to EuroMpire, and it is hot as shit. But we're walking around and taking a look at all these cars. The turnout is insane. There's probably 60 plus, 70 plus cars here. They're just pouring out into the cul-de-sac. They're literally everywhere. But we're running dynos today as well, like I said. I think they have time for 10 cars, I think. We've got the ones that I'm excited about. There's a E60 M5 with the V10, so I'm super pumped to hear that. There's nothing like an E60 M5. And there's an insane M4 out here, which you guys will see as I'm walking around. As you guys might know, I'm getting an M4 next. I'm looking for the Yas Merino Blue. So there's one out here and I just had to go look at it. I'm absolutely in love with that car. But I'm gonna go walk around and see what we got running on the dyno. We've even got some Italian ice out here, which I'm gonna have to do that before I die of a heat stroke. But this has been a lot of fun so far.
Yeah, I knew it. I talk about you.
So many pretty M3s. F30s. E34. This bug is insane. You think it's missing a headlight, and then it has a colder intake. Favorite car here though is probably this one, the red E34 M550. Oof.
Yeah, of course.
Couple 4 Series. What's your fortes? M4. Ooh, V10 M5. M2. All kinds of people. Porsche. Oh, I like that color. Oh, it's like a flat gray.
I love that.
Oh man. I wonder if this is a wrap.
It's a wrap.
Is it a wrap? Is it yours?
No, but we were just talking
Oh, really?
about it. I'm the one that wrapped JD's.
Oh, are you really?
But this is a guy here in Charlotte.
Yeah, this thing's
Actually,
crazy.
wrap.
4 Series Grand Coupe. Look at that spoiler. Do you like it? Do you like it a lot? I like the spoiler a lot. What's up? What's up, Jamie?
Exhausted.
I feel you. There's some cool cars out here I haven't seen. That's clean.
Appreciate it.
That's an awesome car, man. It's on bags, I assume?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it won't even move how it's sitting right now. The tires tuck into the fender well so tight they like stretch to quarter panels.
Oh, wow.
And then the front control arms are actually on the ground.
Oh, that's crazy. Oh, here's a purple M4.
I don't know what it's called.
You like that color? Yeah.
I don't know. Like I do and I don't.
I like it because it's different. Look at that interior. White and black. That's different. Wow.
It's not like an obnoxious, but like
Yeah, it's
Like,
it's
it's
like
not
just
like a
subtle.
Barney
It's like the
purple.
violet that they used to have on the E36s, the older ones. But the one that I would get, the one that I'm gonna get, the best one out here. The best one out here would be this one, the Yas Marina M4. Is this yours?
No, I wish. The color's so nice.
Same. Yeah, I love the blue. Not a fan of the white interior, but that's just because I'm afraid I get it dirty. Carbon roof. I want to know who owns this.
You just asked that. No, I'm sorry.
I want to know who owns this, and I want to take it. I want them just to let me borrow it for a short period of time. Beautiful M4. And in a 5-speed. I should say 6-speed. I'm used to my E36 days. Beautiful. All right, let's see what they got going on inside. I think I'm exclusively going to car meets during the summer that only have Italian ice. But they don't have Italian ice, I can't go. It's too hot.
Tried to get a taco truck for last night.
A taco truck? Well, that would have went off well.
Yeah. Well, the problem was none of them were doing a bid, so
Yeah.
You recording yourself?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, see, Hickory Tavern after this.
I'm down. But yeah, I was saying I'm no longer going to summer meets unless they have Italian ice. I'm too fluffy for these meets. What's up, buddy? You guys hot?
Oh, it feels wonderful up here. It's a little
Yeah.
warmer right here, about 3 feet away. It's not too bad.
Oh, I didn't even think about that. I don't envy you guys, but I appreciate you guys. I'm just standing over here because that's where the air is. works and it's gonna run. What kind of powers are gonna put down? F10 550. Any guesses? More than I expected. More than I expected. 450. 453 on the torque and 447 on the low end. 396. Okay. Alright, Eldridge's car is up next. It's 335, right? Is it a 335?
Yeah.
M2. F80 compilation evolution. Is this what an F30 looks like after it has evolved to what the need of the public is? This thing looks insane. I do really like the fenders. Did he get the GTS hood just recently, or has he had that?
He's had it for a while.
Okay. M2 front bumper, F80 fenders, GTS hood, lovely carbon fiber side skirts. Looks beautiful. I love the white.
Don't laugh.
Are you guys talking crap about me?
Yes, absolutely. We are talking crap about it.
I'm blind, what's it say? I'm blind, what's it say? 370? It's not bad at all.
369, that's not bad. You're on the dot.
Wow.
It'll probably come up a little bit too on the next run.
That's good, man.
431.
You're not gonna throw it on the dyno?
No.
Wow.
Mine?
Yeah.
I want to break it. With a timing chain issue, my car would blow up. I'm about to sell it. I don't want to break it.
Yeah, I'm about to sell mine.
So I've been told that this next car is going to be really crazy. I'm excited. M3. Looks mostly stock for the most part. I guess we'll find out what it sounds like. I hear this one's going to be crazy. I bet it's going to be loud. It's going to hurt the ears.
This is the same wheels I had on my E90 when I had it,
Oh,
except
yeah?
for gunmetal drag.
Is it normal to be this nervous? I'm so nervous.
Is this yours?
Yeah. Oh, don't worry. It's gonna get worse when we hear it live on the end. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Is it really loud? Oh, really?
Yeah. So like, if you're yeah. Just wait. Yeah.
What's your prediction?
Do you know what it puts down?
Active says it's supposed to put 420 in the beats.
Okay. So I was told that this one shoots like 4 5-foot flames.
Yeah, I hope for some look. Everybody wants to heard it. Look at all the cameras.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely going to the back of it to look for the flames. What are you doing down here? I want to watch flames.
What it run? I was closer. My guess was closer. So I got 10 ducks. 10 bucks? 10 bucks? I heard 10 bucks.
Like this, I hear boo. I see him go.
Somebody got a video of like everybody. Oh, hell yeah.
You gotta see his camera jump.
Oh, hell yeah. Yo, you gotta send me that video.
Oh, that's awesome. I'm like, oh, that was worth the wait. That was worth the wait, easily. It's almost the end of the day here, guys. I've had an absolute blast out here. It is sweltering heat, but I'm about to go home here in a minute because it is unbelievably hot. But there's been some pretty crazy cars that come through here. But if you guys are in the area, make sure you go check out EuroMpire. They've done some awesome work on some insane cars. They always are the ones that I'm gonna go to work on mine. And I can hear a car running right now, but I think there's a M5 that's about to run here in a minute. I'm gonna watch that, and then I've got to go home. I'm gonna die of a heat stroke. But anyways, make sure you guys go down and like this video to help support the channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new. And as always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. This is the car I came to see. What was it? 441. 441? I said 450. That's not bad.